for today's video, we're going to answer frequently asked questions about the college admissions and also questions about the English program. And in the last part, we're going to give tips and advice on how to survive college based on our first-hand experience. And I said we because I have guests for today. Girls, pasok!
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, girls.
Hello.
Okay, so for today, I have my batchmates with me to answer your questions. And before anything else, of course, they'd like to introduce themselves. First is...
Hello, I'm Rana Jane Hermosalia. Hi, I'm Jenny Avila. Hello, Sunshines. I'm Dana.
And I am Yvette Garbo. So, Sunshines, so today, as I have said earlier, we're going to answer the facts or frequently asked questions since it's admission season, no? Daghan na sa upcoming first years nga ma-apply sa college, right?
Yes.
And nagian na ta na. So, we believe we are credible enough to give advice and answer your questions.
Well, by the way, we are at Guabo Restaurant. And we are going to eat while answering your questions. So now we have rice with chicken
Sisig.
yes,
I
and
ordered
the cucumbers.
chicken rice ball.
Also, we
We
have
have
iced tea.
Yes. Okay, so we're going to answer your questions, guys, while we have our lunch. Okay, wala
Okay,
kami
gutom kayo,
kaon,
guys.
ma.
And time check, it's already.
Time check, it's already 2:07.
Oh.
So very,
Multitasking.
yeah, multitasking. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. Okay, guys, so while we eat, I'm going to ask them questions. And these questions, kaya ako nung nakuha sa Facebook page. So it's called Cebu College Admissions. And I would advise the upcoming first years nga ma-apply of state universities, you should join those pages because very helpful kay siya. Kaya if na may questions, pwede na mo post dito and mo-answer ang members dito. Kaya ang members dito, mga students na po nga nang-apply before and nakasunod na. So, let's start with answering the questions. So, first question, how to be a student of CTU Danao? Na by exam?
Yes,
Yes.
na.
Okay, let's have Dana first to answer that question.
For state U, kay normal na dyan nga naa siya admissions. Kay, of course, it's a state university. Wala tayo gibayaran nga any tuition but ang tax na to. Which is why importante nga murag ma-filter out gani kung kinsay deserving no admissions.
Best of best, good na. Deserving ba nga?
Are we the best?
Are we the best?
We can say.
Perhaps.
Now, let's have our second question. Need ba dagko grado para makasulod sa CTU? Let's have Miss Rena Jane for that question.
Yes, the answer is yes. But not kanang typically nga dagko jud like 98, 99. As long as your kanang specializations, for example, English, if imuhang grado sa research kay below 87 kay dili na nakadawat. So in short, if naka 87 below or 86 below kay kanang dili sila mo dawat sa imuhang kay mag-reviewing pa man na sa course before kanila i-proceed to entrance exam.
Yes, and mag-matter po siya sa imuhang program nga i-take. Like for example, in education, naadyan sila minimum mga 85 ra nga take. So, mo na yung lowest. I think, pwede ba 85?
87 man ata.
85 or 87.
English,
Yeah,
math, and science.
Yeah, depende sa subject.
Especially English, math, and science, it should be 85 and above.
Yeah, 85 and above jud ang kanang like the ideal. I don't know what. So next question. Lisod ang entrance exam. How about the interview? So lisod ba daw?
Kanang interview.
Let's have Jenny May.
Okay.
Central
So,
exam.
sa entrance exam, actually, I can say yes because, you know, ayaw mo, kuhaan ako i-take bitaw entrance exam without reviewing. So, during kuhaan, nanguba, jud ko, yes, as in, nana ako nga kalabas, madala na ning kuhaan, madala ning stock knowledge.
Until now, inana siya
Yes.
guys.
Wait. Meron siyang stock knowledge, but then, pag abot na ako society, pag nara mo yung 1 hour code, dinidito siya sa yun. Nga, especially, wala kay bawang bitaw, kung sa'yo mo gawas. And then, sa interview, I can say nga, just be yourself. Just be yourself. Kay, it depends mo po sa chairman sa program, if unsaya mga questions eh.
So overall, lisod ang exam. Lisod kung dili mo mag-review.
Pero
Yes.
bisa na dili mo
Ayaw
mag-review,
ayaw din mo,
guys.
Siguro if gifted
follow.
jud kay mo no,
Maybe.
nga, bright jud kay tanan mo.
Ako,
Hindi mo
himala lang
mag-review.
to siya, himala lang.
Lagi.
Pero bisa na dili mo mag-review, guys, para imo na, para imo
May
sa
module na.
Hi guys. So once again, balik mi kay naputol mi ganina kay ni uwan og galit. So we needed to kanang balhin og plates. And right now kay wala na may ulan, so mabalik mi og answer sa questions. So yeah, and by the way, manamig kaon sa lunch guys kay wala na namo nagwanta ang kagutom. So yeah, dugay-dugay jud na man ang ulan.
Yes.
Okay. Okay na mo? Okay pa mo?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. So next question. Ganahan ko mo-apply og state universities, pero wa ko kabalo unsaon. Unsa di ay process sa college admission? Kinsay ganan mo tabang?
Okay, first.
Okay.
So, if you want to apply kaning nadyo na siya yung steps and mostly sa steps kay if na kay gi-aim or na kay gi-eye diha nga universities kay kaning you need to visit their Facebook pages kay ano sila mag-post if when sila when mahitabo ang admission process, and then they will post po kaning ang mga processes of what you should do to apply sa university ngayon ganun.
Yes. So, bisan asa nga university no kay usually ang ilang yung process kay application and then exam, interview, and then ang uban kay naay rankings, pero ang uban kay wala ra basta makapasar na ka sa exam ug interview then go makasulod na ka. Next question, move on na ta dayon. If major, okay, so English na ni guys. Question na ni
Wow,
about English
English
major. Okay.
Isolated na.
Yeah.
Specialized.
Yeah, specialized. So, since mga English majors man me, so, ari jud me.
Ari jud.
Ari me credible, kay nana experience.
We can say.
Yeah.
Ay, aware na sila nga kanang second year na ta.
La,
Wala.
nakalimot may ingon. So, second year na day me, so nanang 1 year experience, no?
Yes.
1
1 year and a half.
1 year and a half.
Yes.
Yeah.
Kaya
So,
mag second
daghan
sem
namig-
na mi.
Yeah, daghan namig mga gihilak.
So far, Steve
Last
Lakan,
night.
daghan pa sa big hilakan.
Daghan pag hilakanan dyan. So, if mag-major in English, do you really need to speak English all the time?
all the time.
All the time.
No,
No, not all
not
the time.
necessarily, but whenever you answer ka, like, tawagan
Presentation.
presentations, of course, you have to answer in English, if possible.
Yes. And besides na dili man sa tanan subject kay more on ay kanang kung anong use sa English kay na may Filipino and
Yung mga minor subjects. But sa major kay your professor would really require you to speak the language because it's your specific
Specialization.
Yeah, specialization.
Pero overall, no, kay, it depends on the professor.
Yes.
and also the school. Kay ako ba school kay na-conduct ba yung English only?
Yeah. But if I were kay mag-speak you English kay it's for human training grounds man ang inyo para
Pero nagbisaya lang may karon kay para ano jamming lang gud ta girl.
Next question. If BS in English ang program, unsay coverage sa entrance exam? So mao ni mostly no unsa kuno coverage?
General.
Like general gid guys from reading comprehension, grammar, and gusto ko na main ana.
Okay,
Okay, kanang
general,
basic
right.
skills.
Yeah. If English major, I remember the content kay three types. First is general education. General knowledge.
Yes.
So general knowledge na siya. The next is Prof Ed, so professional education, and lastly is English sa imong major. Since English ka na dito yung mga English dito nga questions. Sa mga content niya, mostly magitang kita niyo sa online nga kanang free nga reviewers, very accessible. Next is lisod ba ang English program? Lisod ba? As for me, I think
kay tanan magurong program jud ang lisod.
yeah, tanang
But
program man.
as kuan English major, I think yes.
Lisod sa jud.
Yeah. I think tanan should nga program lisod.
Yes. Naras na sa imuha, if naana sa imuha heart, dili na siya
Yeah.
lisod.
If passion should mo emotional learn should. You'll
You will
spend
going to
nights
love it.
and hours para makasabtan ang imong lessons. Sagot sa kalisod.
As what that one iconic professor said to us, no, that English is almost everything. Kay we can study everything magud from
We can
the
be
concept
historian.
yeah, we can be historian.
We can be researchers.
We can be
Researcher,
researchers.
writers, and everything.
Yeah.
Mathematician, scientists.
Oh,
Because
yes.
we're going to dive
Overall.
in overall genres.
Kay we create our problems and we also create our
Solve
solutions.
or
Yeah.
And tanang concept kay among studyhan yan, amo siya i-connect in every concept.
and
You need
also,
to learn how to connect the dots. Really. Dili lang kay basa lang kay basa ana dapat na sila yung relationship.
and
Connect
embody.
the dots and at the same time think outside the box.
Next, if English major, does that mean fluent and correct on grammar always? No.
Listen to us.
No.
Listen to
some
yes. So, daghan og mahadlok nga mag-English major no kay lagi dapat daw correct ang grammar, dapat fluent. But the thing is, the reality is dili man. Yeah,
Okay, mag-start magita sa zero.
yes. Ang nakalahi ra siguro sa English majors no sa normal dili English major kay kuan ka nang mas more on focus lang jud mi sa tuon sa English. But
Basa
that
lang.
doesn't mean nga perfect me. No, that doesn't mean nga kanang tanan ka mao na mi. It's just focus mi ani and still learning mi ani.
Yes, and when you
Yeah.
think that kaning mo in term of mo take mo og English kay ganahan mo makakat-on bitaw unsa pag sulti og English, it's not that kuan bitaw dili gid siya ingon ana
Ana
ang
siya
way.
about dili
yes dili siya ingon ana kay
About
kaning
grammaring
it's
lang.
dili siya about grammaring ra it's about you kaning bitaw learning and kaning i-absorb yung mga knowledge.
It's not about the basics. You
Yes.
can ito na mga grammar and everything.
And to tell you honestly, ang mga
High
professors
school.
kay dili naman sila mag-mind if marong grammar ka kay of course oy mo sabot na pud
Yes.
sila nimo and mo correct naman pud sila in a good way.
So I heard lisod sudlo ng English program sa CTU Danao. Any advice for me? Okay, so nanata sa part nga maghatag mig tips and advice kay saan pagkasulod. Saan pagkasulod sa CTU Danao or any state university? Okay. Kay
First,
Rena.
you need to be passionate youth. You are going to think if you are going to enter this program, you should deliberate extensively about your decision because if musud man gud mo ani kay dili lang lagi na siya about grammar, dili na siya about writing. It is all about it is about being holistically improve ay kanang kanang kan ba?
Philosophizing
Yeah.
everything.
Kanang tanan kay imo siya i-politicalize, imo siya i-philosophize, and everything.
Philosophize. O, di ba? Namay times nga na guys na makuan mi paano ni masayop mig articulate. Articulate. Because
But
we're
all you
human.
need to do kay kanang mag-unan jud siya. Kanang imo lang jud i-embody ang pagka-English major a true blue elite. Kay there is a CTU that now, to tell you honestly, dili siya lalim pero worth it.
Yeah, worth it, you guys. Okay, so that's it for today. So, amo nang gitabag ang mga questions, no? So, thank you, girls, for being with me today. And to everyone watching right now, no, nga planning to apply in college admissions, motto among tips, i-follow lang ninyo and advice. And if ever nga dili mo makapasar sa admission ani nga university, don't lose hope because it's not the end of the world. Napay daghan nga door nga mag-open for you. Because admission is not the finish line, okay? It's just let's say it's just the first step. Yeah, it's just the first step. So, nakay-add ka na.
And college journey will humble you down very, very, very.
Yeah.
So, but your ability to adapt and your determination to improve will be your key para ma-succeed ka sa imong journey.
Yes, true. So sa college guys, know how to survive college, have a grit. Ang grit ra gyud. It's not about the intelligence, it's not about the kung unsa ka kamaayo, it's about the grit, your dedication to succeed, not succeed all the time, but your dedication to rise every time you fail, no? Magpadayon bisan unsa ka, bisan kapila na ka na fail na. So maro ta guys, and thank you for watching sa among short vlog today, and I hope inyong apply ang tips nga among gihatag, and we wish you the best on your college admission.
Believe in yourself, guys. Believe in yourself, guys.
Bye bye.
Thank you.